What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here with a new video for you guys. I just recently bought a bunch of what is it called, Chemical Guys stuff. I don't have any wheel care products, so I decided to just go get a whole kit from them and be able to wash my car whenever I need to and do like little detailing things here and there. I have a spray on ceramic coat bottle coming in the mail soon. I should be here tomorrow actually, but probably be here by the time you guys see this video. But today I got a video for you guys. I'm just going to be doing a little cleaning of the car, do some before and after results, and probably get some skateboarding in. Stay tuned. We're back, guys. Gonna go head to the skate park now. Just finished cleaning up my wheels. I only did the wheels for now, and I think I'll do the interior later. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab some food really quick first, and we're gonna head to the park. 15 minutes away max. So yeah, well, we'll probably get there faster than that because, you know, I don't drive fast or anything. See you guys when we get there. So we're back. Just got done eating. Got me some Chick-fil-A. I actually already went ahead and started skating. It was really bad. I haven't skated in like 3 weeks because of my knee. I've been letting it recover, so pretty stiff, but don't worry, next time I go skate for sure I'll get some clips in. Just got to get back into the swing of things, let myself get loose. I'm definitely not used to skating anymore. Everything is just really stiff, kind of slow and weak, so I'm gonna try to build my power up a little bit more. And yeah, definitely should see some more skate videos coming from me soon. Actually leaving the skate park now. Gonna see if I can't get some roll by clips in of the car. Enjoy.